Well, hello and welcome back. Thank you for coming back today. Well, we're in Ayia Napa Harbour, that's for sure. We're going to take you for a wiggle and a waggle along part of the coastal pathway into the harbour area and show you some of the shops and some of the Christmas lights that obviously are getting ready to be switched on tonight. But before we do, I'm going to introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the world, Miss Ayia Napa.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again.
And again. Now, if you're wondering what this statue actually is, it's a family and they've even brought their dog, and on this occasion they've brought Miss Ayia, and what they are doing is holding the world. There we go. Come on, Ayia, let's go for a wiggle and a waggle through the Ayia Napa Harbour area and show the beautiful people.
Actually, I would say they are holding the peace, because those birds and the globus that they are holding, it
signifies peace,
yes,
and tranquility. I actually agree with what Miss Ayia is saying. And even the dog is involved, as you can see. All we need now is a little pet Gumbaru to come along and add his hands to it, and it could be a picture postcard, that's for sure. That's the harbour. Have a look at that. And it truly looks spectacular today. If you're wondering what time of year it is, well, first week of December, temperature 24 degrees. Yep, you heard me correctly. We are to the rear of the Limonarchy, which means small harbour.
Yes.
Hotel.
Little harbour.
In downtown Ayia Napa. Have a look at that. So this is the outside restaurant, which of course is open to the general public as well as guests and residents. Looks like a very, very nice restaurant indeed. And as you can see, it's not as quiet as you would think in the first week of December. Why is that? Because, well, there's a lot of residents who like to wiggle and waggle around like ourselves. There's a lot of locals that like to wiggle around. And on top of that, there are still people that come on their holidays to the popular holiday spots of Ayia Napa, Portaras, and of course, our beloved Paphos. So that's the rear end of the Limonarchy Beach Hotel, luxury 4-star hotel on the beachfront in downtown Ayia Napa. Have a look at the view that it's got. Straight out across the blue Mediterranean Sea and out beyond the harbour and into the abyss across the beautiful Mediterranean Ocean. A spectacular place to come and spend a weekend, a week, a month, or possibly even the rest of your life. Stevie?
And you know, Mr. Paul, as we pass in this lovely car, I would like to tell you that
E-Class.
They are very, very beautiful and reliable cars.
Yeah, well, I told Mr. Justin, that's J-Mac, go and get yourself an E-Class. Immaterial of what amount of money you've got to spend, get yourself an E-Class. Whether it be an old one like mine or a newer one like that, you're going to get a great, great car indeed. And let Miss Tracy have your GLA, because I know she's more than happy with it, that's for sure. Stevie, shall we go that way into the harbour area?
Yes, but I would like you to see that lovely statue.
Okay.
It's a monument.
Well, it's actually a waterfall behind it, and then there's a monument. What does it say on the plaque, Stevie?
It belongs to all the fishermen in all the world, this statue.
So that's a fisherman, and now I understand it, and those are his nets, I see. And then to the rear of it, like I say, normally that is a cascading, power jetting fountain. But for some reason today, it's not on. Could be something to do with Christmas, who knows. Now, that is the rear end of the harbour area, and we're going to take you from the rear end to the front end, and we're going to show you some of the beauty and the spectacality of the downtown Ayia Napa Harbour. We came here in the evening and it was all lit up, and tonight we are promised something spectacular. We've got a stage over there, we've got Santa's Grotto, and Jesus is coming to town as well, and there's an awful lot of street traders going to come down, and apparently it's going to be a spectacle, so we're going to come along and film it, so don't forget to come back for that special video. So this is the main entrance into the harbour area in Ayia Napa, and there are boutiques, restaurants, coffee shops and a mini Luna Park just over yonder, and down some of the alleyways you've got access to various suites, as they call them, like where we're staying, Ocean Dream Suites. You've got the Blue Harbour Suites further on, and you've got the Cappuccino Suites just over there to the rear of the Cappuccino souvenir shop. So if you want that special quality accommodation in a great location, but without all of the fuddy-duddiness of a 4-star or a 5-star hotel, this could be that special location for you, because you literally open your door, come out and get a coffee, go for breakfast, go for lunch, go for dinner, and of course on top of all of that you literally walk into the harbour, which is straight over there, and across to the blue Mediterranean Sea. A spectacular location in a spectacular place called Ayia Napa.
And as we go passing the different cafeterias and restaurants, Mr. Paul, I would like to mention how beautiful they have decorated the Christmas trees, and the Christmas decorations are amazing. Of course, nowadays you can buy lots and lots things for that, but the taste is so different, and I would like us to film in the different coffee shops or cafeterias, restaurants or shops, clothes shops, all this Christmas decoration.
Clothes shops?
Yeah.
We're not going into clothes shops. That would not be wise for my pocket. I don't carry a wallet anymore because I can't get the money out of the wallet fast enough to spend it. So we're told that tonight most of these businesses will be open, and there's going to be a lot of gumbarrowing going on, and we're going to go through the wrong way, through the 2023 lights. There we are. There she is, Grisevia LaBouffe, the most beautiful woman in the world.
And this chief of the cook is so nice.
Let's go and have a look, see what he says. He's meant a chicken curry today. So the star chef, today's special is a chicken curry, pieces of chicken, fillet cooked in a medium curry sauce, served with chips, rice and vegetables, €13.90. Well, that doesn't seem too bad to me. So to be honest, I quite fancy that. We may come back a little bit later back and get something to eat.
And today is a FIFA World Cup, is it?
Well, it's some of them, yeah. So we are in full swing for the FIFA World Cup. Netherlands versus the United States, Argentina against Australia, and Sunderland again against Millwall. There we are. That should be the most interesting one, that's for sure, because we understand if you know anything about football, apparently Millwall fans do like to kick things around, and we're not talking about the football. So they're probably going to have a bit of a punch-up and a fight in downtown Sunderland tonight. But hey, you never know. Mr. Jeff will probably come out and sort them out. Let's go see LaBouffe.
Well, let me tell you something. I noticed that the garlic bread in some places in Paphos, it's €4 to €4.50. What is garlic bread here? As you see, it's €3 only.
So you're saying it's cheaper in Ayia Napa than it is in Paphos?
Comparing,
yeah. Well, you often find fluctuation in prices between holiday resorts, and often Ayia Napa, we understand, is about twice as busy as Paphos. That's not meant to insult Paphos. It's twice, if not 3 times the size of Paphos. So obviously it needs an awful lot more tourists. There's an awful lot more competition for your pound, for your euro and your dollar. But sometimes that makes prices come that little bit lower, shall we say. There we are. Receive it, LaBouffe.
And those umbrellas are so beautiful at night. You think that you are Mary Poppins, actually Marika.
Marika Poppins, there we are. So this is the very entrance now, or the main entrance. There are 3 entrances if you understand, but this is the main entrance into the harbour area, and that's what greets you at the moment. There it is, harbour in Greek. At night time, those umbrellas light up, as do all the Christmas decorations, and of course tonight we're coming back for an extravaganza. Let's go and have a word with watching Grisevia LaBouffe and see if she enjoyed her little trek through the harbour area in downtown Ayia Napa.
Well, all the places in here are so new for us and so beautiful to us, and I would like to tell you that I personally and Mr. Paul, I'm sure, enjoyed our lovely work around these nice and beautiful places. And I would like to tell you many thanks for watching. And please don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses. Many kisses from the bottom of our 2 hearts.
All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe. Please come back for a little bit more of our madness.